Easy guide for launching small businesses in Pakistan. Starting a business in Pakistan might sound daunting, but here's the truth. Anyone can thrive with the right strategy. Today, we'll uncover simple steps to kickstart your business dream. Let's make your vision a reality, one step at a time. Every great business begins with the perfect idea. Think small-scale ventures like food stalls, online stores, or services. Make sure your idea solves a problem or meets a need in your community. Keep it practical and within your starting budget. A solid plan equals a solid future. Write down everything, from market research and competitors to pricing and funding sources. Knowing your customers' needs and tailoring your services is the first step towards steady growth. Legal is vital. Register your business, get the appropriate tax documents, and secure permits. Don't forget location, whether physical or digital. It should be accessible and appealing to your audience. Visibility is key. Use social media platforms to reach your audience. Share engaging content, offer discounts, and build loyalty with rewards. Regularly connect with customers to create lasting relationships. Track finances strictly while actively taking customer feedback. An efficient system leads to better decisions and smooth scaling of your business for future expansions. Always innovate to stay ahead in the market. Now it's your turn. Take the first step and start bringing your business dream to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy guides. Let's grow together.